Welcome to the Yum Yum Yogi. Today we will be making an old-fashioned oatmeal cookie. Soft, chewy, and flavorful. I've been working on this recipe for a while now, and it's pretty much perfect and insanely delicious. Absolutely no one will be able to tell this is vegan. Before we start baking, let's remember you can get to the heart of any issue because your mind is free from the clutter of negativity. Let's start with the fat. We are going to use refined coconut oil. When it comes to this cookie, it's the best substitute for butter and performs exactly like brown butter in this recipe. And let's melt it and use 3/4 cup of refined coconut oil. Add brown sugar and white sugar, 1/2 cup each, to the oil and mix it all together. And to this, we are going to add just 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Do not add too much because you want the oat flavor to come through. And so add 1/4 cup of applesauce and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and that's it. Don't add too much flavor in it because you want the oat flavor to come through. Mix it all well. And now to this, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. You don't need baking powder or anything like that. Just 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda is enough. You will also find all of the written recipes on my website, theyumyumyogi.com, and also some secrets. Especially for this cookie, you'll find some secrets. So blend it all together and it looks like that. And now add 3 cups rolled oats. These have to be old-fashioned rolled oats, not the quick cooking one. So remember, old-fashioned rolled oats, not the quick cooking oats. And mix it all and it looks like that. And at this point, I'm adding 1/2 cup of sliced almonds. This is optional, you don't need to add it, and if you like raisins, you can add it at this point, but I feel raisins make the cookie too sweet, so I'm not adding that. But any other nut, anything else, you add at this point. And now take a 3 tablespoon scoop and scoop it in, and you flatten the cookie before you place it on the cookie sheet. There, it has to be flattened. Nicely pack the scoop and flatten the cookie. And you get about 24 cookies in this recipe. And now let's bake it. You have to bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit only for 10 minutes. Do not overbake this cookie. And you have to preheat the oven and then bake it. And so at 10 minutes, this is how the cookie will look. That's how the front looks and that's how the bottom looks. And transfer them to a wire rack to cool. But before we taste it, let's remember you can get to the heart of any issue because your mind is free from the clutter of negativity. All right, let's eat this. They're best eaten warm. That's why I'm tasting them now. See how chewy it is?
The simplicity of this cookie is amazing. It's not too sweet. It's chewy. There's a lot of oat flavor. A little crunch of the almonds. It's really good. I also like how just the tiny flavor of cinnamon is coming through. Yum yum.